Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In previous video, we made these beautiful planters using waste cooker gaskets. I am happy that many of you liked it. This week, we will make metal planters. Yes, you heard it right. We will make metal planters but using waste plastic containers. So first, let's see the materials required. These are the plastic containers which we are going to transform into metal planters. Choose the containers without any design on them. They should have plain surface and the size of the bottle should be same from bottom to top. You can take any caps, measurement cups or any bottles, cut them to required size if needed. Other than the plastic containers, we need paper rolls. So let's start making them. I always use full magazine paper to make the paper rolls, but here we need thin paper rolls. So we will cut the paper into half and then make the rolls. To know more about making paper rolls, you may please watch my video number 23. For that, the link will be given in description box. Try to make the paper roll as thin as possible by rolling it tight. We need 4 paper rolls for a planter, but for smaller planters we need only 3 paper rolls. So make the number of rolls accordingly. The ends of the paper roll is not strong, so we need to trim the edges. But the mid part of the paper roll is unbelievably strong, so you can use either of these tools to cut the rolls. Now cut 4 paper rolls into required size, but all the 4 rolls should be of same length. As they are going to be 4 legs of the planter, there should not be any difference in the length of the rolls. This is very important. So this is how we are going to stick the paper rolls on plastic container. But before sticking the paper rolls, we need to make markings on the container at equal distance. If you notice any container, it is always a joint of 2 halves. So 2 lines are already there on the plastic container. Using a marker pen, draw 2 lines over the existing lines on the container and it becomes easy to mark the other 2 lines. Another way of make markings is draw a circle on paper, cut it, fold it at half and fold it again. Mark the 4 folding lines on the circle. So this is your template. With help of this template, you can make markings on the container easily. Stick the paper rolls on all 4 markings carefully so that the planter should stand stable. Here I am using glue gun to stick the paper rolls. Another options are M-Seal and Fevicryl fabric glue. The more accurate you are while sticking the rolls, the more stable the planter will be. After sticking the paper rolls, to give a neat finishing, fill the top part of the rolls with just a drop of glue. The planter is ready, so let's make it stand and see. Well, it's standing perfectly. Before we paint, erase the horizontal marking on the planter. Finish making all the planters, how many ever you want to, so that we can paint them all together. I am using Fevicryl Pearl Metallic Bronze number 355 to get that metal finish. Apply the paint and dab with sponge to get uniform coat of painting. For pearl paint, 2 to 3 coats of painting is required. We painted the whole container using a single color. So let's paint some of the planters in a different way. Here we will paint only the plastic container using pearl metallic gold number 352 color, and after giving 3 coats of painting, we will paint the legs using black color. So this is how it looks after painting the planter and the legs in 2 different colors. Now we will see another way of making the planter. Make vertical markings on the container and finish giving 3 coats of paint only on plastic container. Unlike regular acrylic color, pearl paint requires lot of time for drying, so give enough time between 2 coats. Now paint the required length of paper rolls with black color and rest them for drying. Trim the edges of paper rolls to the required length. Now the paper rolls are ready to stick, but before sticking the rolls, remove the paint on markings using any sharp tool, as the glue doesn't stick on the paint. Apply glue on markings and stick the paper rolls. That's it, the planter is ready now. Okay, if you don't have a glue gun, then the next option is M-Seal. Mix the 2 substances of M-Seal and place a thin strip of M-Seal on marked lines, and then stick the rolls on it. Sticking with glue gun is instant, whereas M-Seal gives you a lot of time to adjust the legs in making the planter stable. So now it's your choice to opt for a method of making the planter. Now all the planters are ready. As we are not using glue gun here, just paint the top part of the paper rolls to give a neat finish. Okay, the final step is to give 2 coats of varnish on all the planters. So these are the bronze planters. You can fill half the planter with water and place money plant in them, or any other water grown plants you can add. I painted some terracotta pots long back and I placed them here to add some more beauty to the planters. This is how you can place these planters on a corner of any ledge in your house. You can add some tea lights or some painted stones or whatever you have at home to create that magic. You must be wondering how strong these planters are. In fact, these planters are strong enough to carry a plant in a pot with soil. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please leave your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.